Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about Google Lighthouse and I will show you how to use it to obtain incredibly valuable insights into how your web page is performing and crucially how accessible it is. Making your website accessible isn't just a nice to have, it's essential. It means people with disabilities, whether they use screen readers, need keyboard navigation, or have visual impairments, can use and understand your content just as easily as anyone else. And guess what? Lighthouse can be your best friend in achieving that. So, in this beginner friendly guide, we'll cover what Lighthouse is and why you should care about it, how to easily run a Lighthouse audit on any web page, understanding the different parts of the Lighthouse report, and we'll dive into the accessibility section and see how Lighthouse helps us identify and fix common issues. We'll even do a quick demo on a simple page to show you the before and after. Okay, so what exactly is Lighthouse? Think of it as a website quality control tool. You give it a web page URL and it runs a series of tests to evaluate its performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO, and progressive web app capabilities. You'll get a score out of 100 for each of these categories. While all of them are important, today we're going to focus on that accessibility score. A high accessibility score means your website is more likely to be usable by people with a wide range of abilities. And the best part, you don't need to install anything extra. Lighthouse is built right into Google Chrome's developer tools. Let's open up a simple web page. For this demo, I've created a very basic HTML page that intentionally has a few accessibility issues so we can see Lighthouse in action. In order for us to use Lighthouse, we need to open our web page on a local server. And to do that, we will use Live Server. If you need assistance with installing Live Server, you can check out the video shown in the cards related to Live Server. So let's open up this web page using Live Server by clicking this Go Live button. And then our web page will open up and it looks something like this. To run Lighthouse, first open up the Chrome Developer Tools. You can do this by right-clicking anywhere on the web page and selecting Inspect, or by pressing F12 on Windows or Option plus Command plus I on Mac. Now look for the Lighthouse tab. You can go to More tabs over here, and then you'll see Lighthouse. You'll see some options here. For our purposes today, we'll generate a report for this page and make sure that the accessibility option is selected. You'll see there are also other categories like performance, best practices, and SEO. For the device, desktop is usually fine, but you can choose mobile as well if you want to see how it performs on smaller screens. But for this video, let's choose desktop. Now click Analyze Page Load. Lighthouse will go to work running its tests, and this might take a few moments. And there you have it, the Lighthouse report. You can see the scores for each category right on top over here. Let's just zoom in a bit. This is a breakdown of the checks it performed and more importantly highlights the issues it found. It categorizes issues and tells you exactly what's wrong, and often provides links to learn more about why it's an issue and how to fix it. For example, if we look at this performance over here, you'll see the feedback provided. And then when we look at accessibility, we can see that it says image elements do not have alt attributes. And this is a classic accessibility problem. Alternative text or alt text for images is crucial for screen readers. It provides a description of the image for users who can't see it. Therefore, without alt text, they miss out on that information. Another common one might be links that do not have a discernible name. Let's go back to our simple web pages code and fix some of these issues that Lighthouse identified. So in our image HTML element, let's add an alt attribute and let's provide a description for this image. And then let's save our work. And just for that one basic change, let's run our Lighthouse report again. So let's click clear all, and let's focus specifically on accessibility this time, since we made a change related to accessibility. And let's see if our accessibility score has improved. And accessibility score has improved to 100 because we implemented the feedback provided by Lighthouse regarding accessibility. The same can be done for the other categories to see an improvement in our web page. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Lighthouse provides checks for many other accessibility practices, like ensuring proper heading structure using semantic HTML elements and making sure your forms are accessible. So I encourage you to open up your Chrome browser right now, go to one of your own web pages or a page you're working on and run a Lighthouse audit. See what insights you get, particularly in that accessibility section. Making the web accessible is a journey, and Lighthouse is an invaluable tool to help you on that path. If you have any questions about Lighthouse or web accessibility, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you might find helpful. Happy coding!